Hi. For Oracle Linux, being able to update components such as the system kernel without requiring a system reboot is a very important feature. Oracle Ksplice provides the capability to update the Oracle Linux kernel and userspace library elements without the need to restart the system or even restart running applications. Oracle Ksplice provides kernel updates that can be applied on a running system. The Ksplice patches are applied to the running Linux kernel and select userspace libraries. These patches are effective immediately. Ksplice technology allows you to apply the latest kernel security errata, known as CVEs or common vulnerabilities and exposures, and critical bug fixes without the need to reboot. It does not halt the system or restart applications. Updates can be automatically installed and are simply applied in the background with almost no impact to system performance. Systems registered with Oracle's Unbreakable Linux network can use ULN to allow Ksplice obtain and install required patches. To avail of Oracle's Ksplice technology, Oracle Linux customers need to register their systems with the Unbreakable Linux network and also have a Premier support contract. If you're an Oracle customer using Oracle Cloud Infrastructure platforms, you automatically have Ksplice technology implemented in your Oracle Linux system instances. And, as an Oracle Cloud customer, you don't even need to register your systems with ULN or have that Premier support contract. It's all included free of charge. Ksplice is easy to administer. With an easy-to-use interface, the Ksplice website gives you simple control over updating kernels with patches and bug fixes on systems registered to work with Ksplice. And with the appropriate offline Ksplice packages installed, it can be implemented on systems that don't have internet access. Ksplice updates are available for systems running Oracle Linux with either the Unbreakable Enterprise Kernel, UEK, or the Red Hat compatible kernel. When installing Ksplice onto a Linux system, the packages you choose to install will determine whether you have installed the standard client or the enhanced client. The standard client provides kernel updates to your system, whereas the enhanced client provides the kernel updates but also updates to Ksplice-aware user libraries. These chosen client installs can then be used in an online or offline implementation. For an online implementation, you register your systems to the Unbreakable Linux network. Remember, you need a Premier support account to do this. And also remember to subscribe to the required Ksplice ULN channels. With the online implementation using the standard client, it allows for updates to the kernel. These can be made using the Ksplice user web interface in a browser or using CLI commands. With online implementation using the enhanced client, it allows for the kernel updates, but also provides updates to Ksplice-aware user libraries. Updating these userspace libraries requires the installation of Ksplice-aware versions of these packages and is done with a simple yum update. Unlike with kernel updates, the Ksplice user web interface is not used to update these userspace libraries. It is done only through command line. Here you can see the Oracle Ksplice user web interface, which can be used to update, check the status of, and manage the updates for your Oracle Linux systems kernels. For systems that do not have internet access, an offline implementation can be used. By installing the required offline Ksplice packages to your Oracle Linux systems, you can use a local Ksplice mirror to update your system with the offline versions of the Ksplice update packages. Updates are packaged in RPMs for patching the kernel and userspace libraries. Here are links to websites you'll typically use for implementing Oracle Ksplice. First, the ULN site for registering your Oracle Linux systems on the Unbreakable Linux network to use Ksplice. And for supporting the online implementation, the sites used to access the Oracle Ksplice user web interface. Note that the two web addresses shown bring you to the same Oracle Ksplice web page. You can find more information on Oracle Ksplice from these Oracle resources, from general information on the technology to specific configuration and administration details. There is excellent information in a series of videos on Ksplice in the Oracle Linux Learning subscription. This comprehensive subscription provides you information on this and a wealth of other key Linux topics in an easy-to-search library, with easy-to-consume videos that bring you everything you need to know in your role as a Linux system administrator. You can find detailed information on Oracle Ksplice in the Oracle Linux documentation. For example, look for the Oracle Linux Ksplice User's Guide. And don't forget, you can also go to the Oracle Technical Network, or OTN, where you can find many resources and lots of information about Ksplice. The link shown here will take you directly to the Ksplice page on the Oracle Technical Network. Of course, there is the Oracle Linux channel on YouTube, which also has useful Ksplice videos available. Thanks for watching.